Welcome to our channel. If you need to schedule an appointment at Bank of America for banking services, account questions, or financial consultations, follow these step-by-step instructions to book your visit. Step 1. Determine what type of appointment you need. Opening an account, discussing loans or mortgages, resolving account issues, or financial planning services. Step 2. Visit the Bank of America website at www.bankofamerica.com or open the Bank of America mobile app on your smartphone. Step 3. On the website, click Locations at the top of the page or use the Find a Financial Center tool. In the mobile app, tap the Centers and ATMs icon. Step 4. Enter your zip code, city, or address to find Bank of America financial centers near you. You can filter by services offered, such as ATMs, drive-through banking, or safe deposit boxes. Step 5. Select the financial center where you'd like to schedule your appointment. Review the available services and hours of operation. Step 6. Click Schedule an Appointment or Book Appointment on the location page. You may be asked to log in to your Bank of America account for faster service. Step 7. Choose the type of appointment you need from the available options, new account, loan inquiry, general banking, etc., and select your preferred date and time from the available slots. Step 8. Provide your contact information, including your name, phone number, and email address. Add any specific questions or topics you'd like to discuss during your appointment. Confirm your appointment and you'll receive a confirmation email with the details. You can also call Bank of America at 1-800-43-21000 to schedule an appointment by phone if you prefer speaking with a representative. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.